Hello everyone, this is me MD Toufic Ahmed Khan Badam, and this is my new YouTube channel Tech Flow by Toufic Ahmed. So I am a Shopify expert, and I have the expertise to design any type of landing page or Figma to Shopify or real estate website or Wix, anything you can give, and I can create that. So in this YouTube channel, I will upload tech related videos, Shopify tips and tricks, Shopify hacks, um, some business tips, e-commerce hacks, and HTML, CSS, some tips and knowledges. I mean tech solutions. And there you can see in my profile that there are many types of links and many types of platform: LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Behance, TikTok. So by these links you can view my profile. uh, if I am showing you of some of my profiles, this is my LinkedIn profile. And if I go to my Behance, this is my Behance profile. As you can see, there are mood boards here. And this my some there is a net issue, net is slow, so I think, sorry. uh this is my Facebook ID. So there is some net issue, sorry. So it's solved. So this is my profile, and I upload in my profile theme customization video and different types of tips, Shopify hacks, tips and tricks. And as you can see, uh, some I have also a group. You can, this is my Fiverr profile picture. So as you can see that I am a Shopify expert, and there is a Replo also. I am an expert also in the page builders also, Replo, Pagefly, Gem Pages. So in the Behance profile, you can see that there are different types of mood boards: homepage, Replo, theme customization, Gem Pages, one product store, then the product landing pages, Pagefly. And the net is slow, I think. So let's uh, reload this. I think some net issue. The Google is, I mean the browser is slow. So this is my profile, LinkedIn profile. I am a Fiverr freelancer, and this is my YouTube channel. So as you can see, then I am a Shopify expert, and I will upload some tutorial hacks, Shopify hacks. So as you if you subscribe my channel, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel. And also I have a Facebook page, I will give the link here. So this is the Facebook page. Wait. So I will also upload here my videos. So will you can watch here the videos, so you can be updated. Look. So thank you. uh, Inshallah I will upload videos from tomorrow or next day, from next day. So we will get here some videos. Help me, I mean you, if you hit the subscribe button and all click the all subscription, so it will help me to uh, grow in the marketplace. I think it will be my a plus point for my personal branding. And I will, what I learn I will teach you, what I learn I will teach you, and what I have the knowledge of any type of e-commerce hacks, Shopify business related hacks, Shopify uh, knowledges, I will share with you different types of knowledges and tutorials. And keep eyes on my YouTube channel, so you will get updated, we will be updated. Thank you.